chimney. Sing it. You know, every day. Simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Hey guys, and what's up? I hope you guys are having a blessed day. It is the weekend. Yeah, first weekend since the kids have been back to school, and it's been quite hectic, and it is cold, I must say. The weather has really changed. So much for what they call, it's still supposed to be summer, but it sure does not feel like summer. Right now, it feels like fall is here, and it doesn't look like it's going anywhere. It actually kind of feels like winter is here already. It feels like winter. It looks like we're skipping fall and going straight to winter. But yeah, we're just heading out to go do some errands. We're just chilling. We're not doing much. So yeah, I guess we're just take you guys along to get the errands done. You see your girl's already got sweater on. She's back in pants and everything because it's bloody cold. I'm just waiting on the girls to get out the house so we can head out. So it's just me, hubby, and the girls are heading out. Mr. Man decided that he's just gonna stay home. So yeah, we're just gonna go run some errands. But it is cold out here. Oh.
What is that?
What do you mean, what is that? It's the amount of water that you have, that you put here, and then you have your ball that's running up and down in the car.
Can I have some water, Mommy? Can I have some water?
You wanna just live on the yard, but easy. You put water in here? Huh?
Yes,
When you come out the garage, you have three cases of water in the garage, you come out here. Water, mommy, water.
They always do that.
Can't let you know this and go back for your water.
Always, the end time we go out, they're in the house, and instead they get a drink. So instead of they get a drink and they use the bathroom, they always wait till the appointed time when we're leaving to decide, say, they want water.
Because that's what kids are supposed to do.
No, that's not what the kids are supposed to do. That's what. Ask him again. That is such an excuse.
What are you talking about?
They are getting ready for Halloween. As you guys can see. Oh, look at that one, babe. Look at the guy over there. Wow, it's over there. So Halloween is in the swing and in effect. Oh, this is the horseless headsman. Go listen. Look at this one, babe. I wonder if he lights up. Look. Holy moly. This thing is crazy. You want a picture? Turn around. Here, guys, they are in full effect for Halloween. It's crazy.
Wait.
Oh, that one's plugged out.
Watch this.
Why you not nga bunny? Okay, let's go. You guys are getting distracted. Oh, look at this guy over here, babe.
Ooh, I like this one. You know who died the best? Bloody Mary. We did this. We played this game in the bathroom.
You have the werewolf?
Where all the lights are turned off and you're like Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary. Mommy, fate, look, fate, look.
You guys,
oh my gosh, it's Bloody Mary. I turned it on. Yeah, it's Bloody Mary.
Isn't that creepy?
We did a game like that in the bathroom, and then you stand at the mirror and you're supposed to see something.
Hey babes, you know, see this thing? It lights up. Fate, stop mash down the place.
Touch me.
Okay, you guys, let's go. You see, we're coming to her to actually come and do some stuff. And then, ow, ew, put your hand in here. And then you're all distracted. Sharp, eh? So now they're all distracted from what we're actually initially coming here to come do. Come on, guys, let's go.
What's his
What are you gonna be? What is it? Mufasa?
Mufasa. He's not a good person.
So yeah, now they're looking at Halloween stuff. Really, Risa?
Nice to come.
Wait, let me see. Oh, yeah, come on. Yeah, I'm over your fuck.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
mommy, look. I want to be Tinkerbell.
I want to be Red Riding Hood, but there's a baby clothes.
Everything's so big.
You everything. Everything together.
Get up there.
We have a lot of costumes in here. Oh, Angel.
Meg was dressed up as a cat. No, they were.
Oh, I don't like.
Stop. But they don't, because I don't like spiders. I'm not even like to give you one. I'm not even playing with you, Mario. This one big ugly one over there.
Put those down. But their eyes are so creepy.
This is going to be my pet when I grow
I
up.
still don't like it.
Fate. Ew, what are these dolls?
Wait, this one looks haunted.
Oh, so they have all the stuff for the clowns. What happened?
Stop!
Oh, it came off?
Oh, I want to turn this
Or
on.
that thing it comes off?
Yeah,
Mommy! Wait, look.
Look, Krista, look. Oh, shit. Oh, God, I don't like that.
Look.
No, man. That's so creepy.
I hit Jack in the Box.
I love that in the box.
Hello, I'm saying this.
Pardon?
I
Really,
have
babe?
Wait, no. There's a challenge. Hold this, mommy. Hold this for a second. There's a challenge where I saw the Brent Rivera and his sister Lexi. They put the hat on. Wait.
Huh?
They put the hat on and they're just like.
Your hair tie is too high.
Right. I'm gonna take you off. Give me a
He
second.
wants to eat me now.
Oh my gosh.
Wait.
Hey, nobody.
Those are all toys out.
It's here. There's a bobby pin.
Wait, you get to manage.
Wait.
What is it, babe? You're gonna be a police officer?
Oh my gosh. Area 51.
Arrest me, police officer.
Area 51 alien.
I've been a naughty girl. Ooh, I could be a cat burglar.
Let me see. Yes,
Yeah,
I'd
you
want to be something like that.
Where did Mario go?
I'm a burglar.
Mom, I got it at the start.
Ow, I'm stuck. Please.
Mom, you ready? Mom.
Yes. Oh, look, they have a different way.
Ready? Taba Hassan.
You're too funny.
So we're gonna go scare.
Let's go. Okay, where is Mario?
I like this doll. It doesn't look too bad.
Creepy. All these two. Guys, we decided to come out and have dinner instead of cooking. So Mr. Memphis is missing out, but we're just doing something else. Hello.
What are you guys doing today?
We're good.
Awesome. My name's Nat. I'm taking care of you guys today.
Yeah.
You got anyone that you want to drink?
Can I get a Sprite, please?
Right?
Is 7-Up okay?
Yes, that's fine.
Look at the juice they have. Look at that.
What are you guys having?
There's a unicorn lemonade.
Fate and Rissa, what are you guys having?
A unicorn lemonade.
I need a, what do you have? 7-Up? Alright, 7-Up. 4 7-Up.
Pardon?
4 7-Up.
4 7-Up?
Yeah.
Coming right up.
This has a sandwich named after him.
I want this. Food.
The girls and I are just here coloring around. So we're just waiting on our dinner to come.
Just go and kill some time.
And of course, he's playing his game like he usually does. You have to stretch across the table.
I'm gonna play a game too.
Oh, look, they have the unicorn having a birthday party there.
Where?
They're right
My
there.
birthday.
See?
Well, wait. No, it's not my birthday.
So yeah, we're just waiting. I am hungry. Oh, look at
This
this.
is gonna be done.
Oh, look. For every cake, I donate the house.
See, I'm gonna play this game, mommy. Mom, it's a water game where I try to kill people.
Oh, look at the ice cream stuff. So yeah, for now that's what we are doing, and I don't know what we're doing after, but when the food comes back out is what I got, and that's what Faith got, and Risa got, and of course Mario gets this. But no, girl had to just like, that's okay. So, oh my gosh. Yeah, the food, I'm about to dig in because your girl is hungry. So, we're about to...
Good.
Good?
Good more.
How is it, Risa?
Good.
Okay.
Okay, good. I'm not gonna be mean, I know.
Is food good?
What?
Oh yeah.
Mom, please,
Okay,
Mom.
then we got these breakfast here. It's so good.
Wait, Mommy, look at those chicken fingers.
And I'm just putting some sauce, some cheese on mine, and some pepper. This is the aftermath of this one here. She pretty much cleaned her plate. Risa's still struggling, but she's still at it. Mario can't eat no more. So he's getting his little doggy bag to go. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna ask where my plate is. My plate is gone. That was my breakfast, my lunch, and my dinner, and a late snack in one. But I think I overate. Oh,
You know?
I think I overate. Thank you. So I kind of feel a little bit. Ugh. Okay, guys, we just finished eating, and we are all full. I feel like we're gonna bust.
I'm empty.
What do you mean you empty? You empty? You see a clean plate? Huh? More
I
empty.
was full, actually. I am full.
So yeah, that was actually good. That wasn't too bad. And the pasta that I actually had was the first time I tried that one. So that one's actually
Yeah, the
different.
burger. It's the first time I've tried a burger there.
So
Not in kid size.
it wasn't too bad. But now we are off to do our next first time. That is your regular. That's almost what you get every time you come out, because he doesn't really like trying. I'm very picky when it comes to his food, so a lot of things he won't really try. Look at, do you see that car there? You see the car that fly back? That car was like back in the 60s. So yeah, guys, we're on to the next place. That is where we are going. Oh my gosh, I think the itis is kicking in. Yeah, the itis. What is that? It's called niggeritis. So when you eat too much and then you're ready to go sleep.
But it sounds like the N-word.
Yeah, it does, because it's partially the N-word. So we're home, and of course these ones come home with a whole bag of noise. So I think we're just chilling for the day. Oh my gosh, we're not doing that much. Yeah, I'm just gonna prep for dinner, get some stuff organized for tomorrow, and that is about all that we are doing. Oh man, the girl is tired.
I am
full. And of course you're full. And the itis is kicking, so I'm just about to go just have a shower, and yeah, we're gonna call it a day. So
wait, Mom, I made up a dance for them. Are you ready? Ready?
What type of dance?
Steady.
What are you doing? Okay, guys. So I just came back to close out this vlog, and we will talk to you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn your notification on to be the first one to be notified when we drop a video. And we will talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick on